Asyik batuk je. Nak makan ubat tapi tak tahu boleh makan ke tak. Dah lah tengah pregnant ni. Ubat apa je yang sesuai untuk saya?
Hello everyone, I'm your pharmacist today, Dione from 𝘮𝘢𝘪 Pharmacy. I believe every pregnant and breastfeeding mama are concerned about their medication safety during this special period. You know what? You are doing very well! Woo! The medication safety is different during different trimester. There are many cough syrup available in the market containing licorice. It is widely used to treat a variety of conditions, including lung, liver, kidney, and circulatory disease. However, it is not suitable to be consumed during pregnancy and breastfeeding periods. Licorice and its natural sweeteners, 𝘮𝘬𝘢𝑙, can have long-term harmful effect on the development of fetus. In one study, children who born to a mother who ate large amount of 𝘮𝘬𝘢𝑙 containing licorice product were more likely to have brain impairment later in life. These ingredients are equivalent to the licorice. Licorice, Radix 𝘮𝘬𝘢𝘪𝑎. Alternatively, you can choose cough syrup that have ivy leaf extract or 𝘮𝑚 helix. It is safe for all pregnant and breastfeeding mamas. 𝘮𝘪 Pharmacy is the first pharmacy subscribed to Australia Pregnancy and Breastfeeding Medicines Guideline. We ensure your medication safety throughout the journey. Let us be with you.